This is Alex from Accessories International, and today we're taking a look at a side-by-side comparison of a stock Mercedes G63 AMG model versus a fully transformed BRABUS Widebody conversion. Now, if you own a G-Wagon and you want to take it to the next level, we have all of the genuine BRABUS components to make that happen. Here at Accessories International and Masterpiece Auto out of Miami, Florida, we have all of the equipment, the components, and the skills to make that transformation for your Mercedes G-Class. Now first up, let's take a look at the completely stock Mercedes G63 AMG model. This is straight from the factory. Now the G-Wagon is an already impressive machine with that rugged body design, the powerful V8 engine, and the signature presence on the road. But if you're looking for something that's going to stand out even more, BRABUS takes this platform to an entire new level. Now here's the same G-Wagon, but with a full BRABUS transformation. Every detail has been upgraded with authentic BRABUS parts, turning this into a one-of-a-kind head-turning machine. Now going through these upgrades one by one, first off we have that BRABUS B logo versus the stock Mercedes Star. You're going to notice that front grille upgrade with the BRABUS B logo that replaces that traditional Mercedes Star, which is going to instantly give your G-Wagon a more aggressive, high-performance look. This is a small detail, but it really makes a big impact on the truck's entire identity. Now, moving on to the second transformation piece, we have the WIDESTAR fender flares versus the stock body. So talking about the WIDESTAR body kit compared to this stock G63, these massive fender flares add an extra 10 centimeters of width to the car, which is going to give the truck a much broader and more muscular stance. The integrated LED running lights in the fender flares make it even more distinctive when you have the lights on, especially at night. Now moving on to the third component, we have the BRABUS carbon fiber hood scoop versus the stock hood. This BRABUS carbon fiber hood scoop enhances the aerodynamics, but it's also going to reinforce that performance DNA of BRABUS. This makes your G-Wagon look ready for the track or the street. At the top, we have the BRABUS front roof spoiler, which has the integrated LED lighting, and it's going to add both style and functionality to your G-Wagon. When you hit the high beams, the extra LED lights are going to illuminate the road ahead, which is going to enhance your visibility while adding that signature BRABUS style to your G-Wagon. Now moving to the side of the vehicles, we've swapped out the standard AMG side molding for that BRABUS 700 side logo badge. It's a simple but high impact way to showcase the performance heritage of BRABUS. Now at the rear of the cars, the BRABUS rear bumper has an integrated under-ride guard, which gives the G63 a tougher off-road ready stance. Now you combine that with the BRABUS exhaust system that this G63 has, and it's not only going to look more aggressive, but it's going to sound more aggressive once you have the engine on. Now overall, every single BRABUS component that you see here is 100% genuine and available through our website at accessoryinternational.com. We've partnered up with Masterpiece Auto to guarantee a perfect fit and finish on all of your genuine BRABUS components. Now if you're looking to transform your G-Wagon, we've got you covered. Whether you want to go with a full BRABUS or just add a few upgrades, our team is here to help you build your dream truck. Now check out the link in the description below to get started on your own BRABUS G-Wagon conversion. My name is Alex at Accessories International, and we've been doing this for over 25 years. If you have questions for us, call us at 786-242-5400. Thanks again for tuning into the video. We'll see you next time.